Jack Smith, the special counsel tasked with investigating Donald Trump, has been in the spotlight recently as reports suggest his work is nearing completion. Insiders indicate that Smith is winding down his investigations and prosecutions of Trump, a move seen as strategic given Trump's promise to fire him immediately if reelected. By wrapping up his work now, Smith seems to be anticipating attempts by Trump to obstruct or undermine the legal process. However, Smith's efforts are far from over, as he's reportedly finalizing a detailed special counsel report that could have significant implications for Trump's legal challenges. This upcoming report is expected to thoroughly document the evidence Smith has collected, going beyond what has been revealed in court filings. Much like the Mueller report, which exposed Trump's connections to Russian interference in the 2016 election, Smith's report aims to provide a comprehensive account of Trump's alleged misconduct. While court documents have offered some insight, legal analysts believe they represent only a small portion of the evidence amassed during Smith's investigation. But before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. One major case under Smith's jurisdiction involves Trump's handling of classified documents. Trump faces charges of unlawfully retaining sensitive national security materials, defying a grand jury subpoena, and obstructing justice by refusing to return these documents. This case, prosecuted under the Espionage Act, highlights the serious nature of the allegations and their potential impact on national security. The matter is currently on appeal, but it remains a cornerstone of the legal battle surrounding Trump. Smith is also prosecuting Trump for his alleged role in attempting to overturn the 2020 presidential election results, including inciting the January 6th Capitol attack to disrupt the certification of Joe Biden's victory. These cases, among the most consequential in U.S. legal history, seek to address potential violations of federal law by the former president. There is a pressing need to release Smith's findings while the current administration is in office. Legal experts caution that any delay could result in the report being suppressed or manipulated under a future administration. Memories of how former Attorney General Bill Barr framed the Mueller report in a way that critics claim misrepresented its findings loom large over this process. Current Attorney General Merrick Garland has committed to releasing any special counsel report, providing some reassurance that Smith's conclusions will be made public. Smith himself may face challenges beyond his investigation. Trump has openly vowed to take retributive actions against political adversaries, fueling concerns about potential retaliation against Smith. Although Smith acted lawfully and within his authority, Trump's history of leveraging the Department of Justice against perceived enemies raises the possibility of baseless investigations or other forms of retaliation. During his first term, Trump pressured the DOJ to investigate figures like former FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe, actions widely criticized as politically motivated. Legal experts argue that any attempts to target Smith similarly would likely face significant legal obstacles. The federal judiciary is expected to play a critical role in preventing unlawful actions by Trump. Judges, including many appointed by Trump, have consistently ruled against efforts that violate the Constitution or abuse executive power. While Trump's rhetoric targeting figures like New York Attorney General Letitia James is troubling, legal experts believe such comments strengthen the defense against any retaliatory prosecutions. Federal judges, particularly those in trial courts, are anticipated to uphold the rule of law even in the face of political pressure. Smith's future remains uncertain. Before his role as special counsel, he worked at the International Criminal Court where he prosecuted war criminals and addressed atrocities like genocide and crimes against humanity. While his ICIC experience highlights his dedication to justice, the United States' refusal to join the ICC limits its jurisdiction over American actions. Even if Smith were to return to the ICC, he would be unable to pursue cases against Trump or other U.S. officials unless the U.S. joined the Rome Statute, a move unlikely under a Trump administration. Smith's report could serve as a pivotal document presenting a detailed account of Trump's alleged crimes and preserving the evidence for future accountability. If Trump's administration dismisses ongoing cases, it may still allow for the evidence to be revisited under a different administration. For now, Smith's work represents a critical effort to uphold democratic principles and ensure the integrity of the justice system. As these historic legal proceedings continue, all eyes remain on the next steps in this high-stakes saga. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.